Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Searching through a large dataset to find one specific name? There's a smarter way to do it. We've got a list of projects and the managers assigned to each one. The goal is simple. Type in a project name and instantly get the right manager back. No scrolling, no manual searching, no wasted time. Here's how we build it using a powerful array formula combination. We start with IFERROR to keep things clean, then wrap an index match combination inside it. Index looks up the value. Match finds its position. Together, they're unstoppable. Inside the match formula, we add an if statement to filter only the results that match what we typed in. Then, a COUNTIF formula checks the mixed range of references and compares it against the previous cell. This is what gives the array its logic and makes the whole thing work. Now here's the part that trips most people up. When you're done building the formula, do not just hit enter. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter together. That's what saves it as an array formula and brings it to life. One formula, any project name, instant result. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if managing project data across spreadsheets is slowing your team down, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Turn your Excel logic into a fully interactive web app where your team can search, filter, and manage project data from any browser. No Excel required. Links below.